if you have to give an advice, because I know you've been in your role for a couple of years, you learned, you're growing, you're scaling and everything else. What kind of advice will you give?
So I guess what I would say is just consistency. Invest in tools that, it doesn't have to be the most expensive tools, but just invest in tools that make your life easier, and just so you could stay in front of the customer. LinkedIn, anything that's free, email campaigns, catchy, titles in your emails. It's what sells to you. So that's the thing. When you get an email, what makes you open that email, or what ad on the side? You have to think of as the consumer rather than just the marketer. So whatever you can do to kind of stay in front of them and use the tools that you have. Everything is coming up with so many different ways. We prefer constant contact because I can do my calendar scheduling and stuff with emails and surveys and everything. Yeah. So whatever can keep you consistent and, pre-planning, spend a day planning. That's kind of the best advice that I could give. And just stay authentically your company, what you want people to see as your company.
Yeah. Oh, that's a good advice. I like that. And I think definitely the consistency. It takes time. And again, right, do it for 3 months, and then you can actually see and measure and see the benefit and success of it. And then keep going. Thanks for listening to this episode of Mind Innovation Special Edition about modern marketing for manufacturing companies and manufacturing reps. New episodes are dropping bi-weekly, so make sure you're following wherever you get your podcasts. You can find me on LinkedIn, search for Sannah Vinding. You can also find me on YouTube, search for Mind Innovation, or go to my website, sannahvinding.com, or check out mindinnovation.com. Stay curious and keep learning.